And taking action for you here tonight, the question, how long can this boom really last? Will there be a bust for sellers and ultimately a break for buyers? Jackie Calloway here tonight with key new insight from local experts.
Open houses trigger lots of foot traffic.
So it's got a little wine rack back here.
And multiple offers.
So they better decide which one they like better.
This house has been on the market for 2 days. I understand that the listing agent is already receiving offers on the home.
Veteran South Tampa realtor and market analyst Tom Lieber predicts seller-friendly conditions will run through 2021.
There's about 1,000 people moving to our market on a monthly basis.
Lieber and other experts say factors that drove sales to new highs this year, migration to Florida, low interest rates, and a supply crisis, could push prices even higher in the next few months.
People aren't listing their homes because there are no available homes to move to.
The market for now is only getting tighter. In some neighborhoods, inventory has dropped by 40% since March of 2020. Yet home sales in Pinellas and Hillsborough counties shot up 18% during the same time frame.
So it's all open floor plans.
Crystal Brown is among those who decided to cash in this year.
I was just shocked that many people were really interested.
This townhome owner walked away with $95,000 more than she paid for it 5 years ago.
I was able to sell it within 2 weeks.
You still have the option of doing it individually.
USF economics professor Dr. Chris Jones predicts buyers won't see any relief in housing costs for the next 18 to 24 months.
I don't think you're going to have the drop off the ledge like you did in 2008.
Dr. Jones says it will take another uptick in mortgage rates, an increase in the number of homes built, and a price point at which people can no longer afford to buy homes for prices to drop.
I think you're going to have a slower decline, but still a decline over a relatively brief period of time.
And like Tom Lieber, Dr. Jones expects prices to edge higher before leveling off.
I think they're probably about 6 months away from hitting their peak.
We pulled sales data for Hillsborough, Pinellas, and Pasco counties for January 2020 and January of this year. The price of a single-family home in Hillsborough shot up 15%. In Pinellas County, the increase topped 17%. And Pasco County saw a 19% increase year over year.
But there are plenty of homes on the market that are extravagantly priced.
Certified property appraiser Danielle Evans says she's often hired by the banks to determine whether the market value equals the asking price.
But that doesn't mean that a bank will actually fund that much for the loan on it.
But cash buyers don't need the bank's money and in some cases are willing to pay over and above the appraised value, driving prices even higher.
All right,
good luck to them.
Thank you.
Whatever they do.
The consensus is if you have a lot of equity and you can cash that in your current home and use that towards another, it's not a bad idea to buy right now. But if you're looking at breaking into the housing market for the first time and you can afford to wait, you may want to do so for the next 18 to 24 months. I'm Jackie Calloway taking action for you.